To finish off the day, we got a new big OLED TV. We're gonna go ahead and string up these RGB lights to the back of it, so we can get lights going, kind of like that. So again, not really much to it. Kind of this double-sided tape, sticking double-sided tape on this side, and we're just gonna string it all around the TV type situation. So really not much to show. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it up, show you the end product. Yeah, you need lights on the back of your TV. And make sure you got something to stand on so that you can get up there. On my rainbow roof. That's what I wanted. There we go. Now I can do tons of effects, music, all that good stuff. But the thing I wanted was the rainbow, which you have to get the RGB IC, to do it, which is this. There we go. So now I can make my cars, whatever. But yeah, wasn't that hard. Time consuming like anything else. Alright, I got it done. Time for some Panda. Got the RGB lights set. There we go. So let's get on this. I finally get back on the Final Fantasy 7. I got that done. Actually, eat some food. Day out. So yeah, a lot of stuff we did today. A lot of small projects that we need to get done. Got them done. So next, like I said, it's going to be definitely going to do the headlights again. Get the headlights knocked out, and then going to rewrap some pieces, and then be on to maybe a new project pretty soon. But yes, I'm glad I got these lights up for sure. It took a minute as far as for me putting in because I was just busy, but I probably had 2 days off in a row, so I'm like, let's get this done. So you guys have any questions? Let us know below. Where's my controller, man? Need that controller. Hold on a second. What did I do? Oh, my bad. It's right there. Yeah, RGB. Got the color change and stuff. So don't forget to post your comments down below. You guys have any questions about why I get any of the products or anything like that, just let me know. See you guys next video. I'm gonna eat, play some games. Peace. Oh, by the way, I finally watched Super Mario Bros. Movie. It was actually pretty good. Later.
Oh, man, they need ECU and everything. Not like we need it, but that's very nice of them.
4 hours later.
Go. Hey guys, go. Pain in the ass. Yeah, wrap that. That's who the thing was.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't. It's just because that shit's been on there for a long time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm not worried about that. That comes off. See?
Oh, okay.
I just got extra.
I didn't even try to wipe it down or nothing like that.
Nah, I can wipe it down in a
But
second.
I just wanted it to be symmetrical because if you look underneath, it follows the body line like perfect on both sides.
Yeah, that's what you were saying.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
And then these are the bolts I was talking about right here. These two, those went into your factory push pins.
Oh. Okay.
And then I had to drill this one and that one. And then I had to move your hitch, your hood, or your latch on the other side because the bolt was right here. But
so you can't.
it's all good.
I'm like straight swap that out. Heck yeah, man. So it does
I got
what?
your little badge on there for you.
There you go. Yeah.
Here's your shirt and stickers over here too.
Yeah, I'm about to say they gave me a shirt and sticker, so they got that.
I got these 4 screws, and then your mud flaps are right here.
I'm gonna go back on again.
I didn't know if you wanted them.
Throw them in the trunk.
You want me to throw them in the trash?
Not throw them in the trunk.
Oh, the trunk.
Yeah, they're not going back on, obviously. I think that's what it needed. That's what was missing.
Yeah.
Needed some type of diffuser while I was waiting. I knew it.
You want these just in your cup holder or something?
The screws what, the mud flaps?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll put everything up in the thing. I do have one question since I have you here.
What's that?
First things first. Buckling. But check this out though. Can't really see when you put on the gun, you can see it. If you look at this, why is this tire, look at it, you can see it, it's sticking out. Like this tire is flush. That's like an issue. That's why, you see it? When you put it on the ground, this one's out some.
I can see it.
And then this one's underneath some. That probably caused some of my running. I want to know why it's like that. This one's like actually underneath, like parallel to the body, and that side's sticking out some. Like why? I just noticed that whenever you fixed all the chains, all the suspension and shit, I don't know why it's like that. Might have a lot to do with the rubbing too. Why would that side be in and this side out? So While he's looking at that, something's there. While he's looking at that, we also got the good bumper disconnect. Yeah, bam. Black JDCs. And then cool. And he's gonna fix the ledge. Hell yeah. Gotta wash the car now. Okay, you guys did pee. Leave that box here loaded, so that means. But replace again. Hopefully that fixes the issue, please. There it goes. Good. You can't even notice the bumper disconnect, honestly. It really is. Look at it. I like it. Not as bad as I thought it was. Bumper disconnect. Not bad. I'm trying to do this, I'm coming back with the new bumper disconnect. It's awesome, and the liquid diffuser code's cleared. Hopefully that fixes, that's gonna finally fix this. It's all got P455456 code. I'm actually on my way to work right now. Oh man, it's awesome. The car is looking aggressive. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It looked actually turned out better than I thought it was gonna be with the big bumper disconnect kit. And I was gonna look weird with the buttons on it, but I'm good with it. I'm with it. Again, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. If I can make it its own little series, or I'm not sure. But now we got the bumper disconnect done. We got the red diffuser done finally. Thank you to Devsport. Everything's good to go, man. About time the car's all suspended, all fixed. Had an issue with the axle left tire sticking out. It's because the adjustable arm was just a little loose. Tighten that up just now. That solved that problem. So now it's just basically tune it to a full scale power tune, and then what else is out there? After that, the upcoming car show, we got some pieces. It might be time for something new, but I don't want to spoil that. You guys will see that soon enough. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. You see the traffic's pretty bad. I need to focus on driving. So I'll see you guys next video. Again, new parts installed. Remember guys, you guys have 8-gen Civics. You guys can do what I did, man. Just build them. The parts are out there. Build them before things get disconnected, man. I'm out, man. See you guys next video. Zero codes. Turbo R18. Yes, Turbo R18. I'm out. Peace. Welcome. As you guys saw what we've been doing. Decided to cut some. We're going to do something to wash the car so we can actually head to the wrap shop. Guess we're going to fix that soon. But about time. I finally got to be up. Finally, the weather's finally nice. So we can go fast finally. Oh man, this stuff. Oh man, I miss medicine. Eat this shit up. Please. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, it's so satisfying. I was gonna show you guys this. Oh, that smell. Oh, these ones are just fucking filthy. Been eating some passions for a long time. Yeah, I'm not being liberal with this. There's the diffuser, you guys can see. Thank you, Devsport. Thank you, Devsport. I need one to turn it on. Okay. Make sure that we catch all that. Catch all that. The bakelet, right? Man. I'm with it. Hell yeah. That shit bake? It's right up. Hell yeah. Where's nothing like a good wash and wax job. I haven't washed this thing in a long time. I'm with it. Now we can head to the wrap shop with the guys. Look at it if I can get there enough time. Look at it. See if we can't get some pieces rewrapped or schedule an appointment to get some pieces rewrapped. Yeah, I'm with it. Looking good. Hell yeah.